Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE N30, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is right here, battery saver. Once you find it, simply click on it, select turn on. Gives you some kind of animation, and it looks like this is some kind of extensive power saving mode. Let's see if there is another one. Nope, it looks like this is the only one. Now the power saving mode that they have here, it's fairly extensive, so this will provide you most amount of battery, but as you can see, it also limits the device quite significantly. You have access to only like a couple different things. So yeah. Now, like you see me do before, if you're done with this mode and you want to leave it, well, then you have a quit button right over here. And there we go, we're back into normal mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.